What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I have this Motorola Edge X30 and Vivo X70 Pro Plus. This is a speed test video, but I have also added Antutu thermal throttling at the end of the video. And if you watch through the video, then you will know this. Well, this one is Motorola Edge X30. This one comes with the newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, and this one is Vivo X70 Pro Plus. This one got Snapdragon 888 Plus. Well, I must mention that this one got 12GB of RAM and this Motorola Edge X30 got 8GB of RAM. Yeah, I have done another comparison video, another speed test video between this Motorola Edge X30 and OnePlus 9 RT. So if you wanna watch more videos about this smartphone, or if you like tech videos, then I wish that you will stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. And if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Also, don't forget to make a comment. I don't want to waste any more time. Let's jump right into the speed test. Here is our smartphones. On the left, that's a Vivo X70 Pro Plus, and on the right, that's Motorola Edge X30. At the beginning, let me show you that I am using the correct smartphones and a few basic specifications of these two smartphones. Let's run IDA64. Here goes confirmation. Vivo X70 Pro Plus got 12GB RAM and Motorola Edge X30 got 8GB of RAM. Vivo X70 Pro Plus comes with Snapdragon 888 Plus and Motorola Edge X30 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, the newest SoC. There is nothing running at the background. Let's start this speed test with PUBG. Which one of these two smartphones can load PUBG faster than the other one? Well, Motorola Edge X30 has managed to load PUBG slightly faster than Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Motorola Edge X30 has already got its first point. Now it's time for Real Racing 3, my favorite racing game, and there is almost no difference in loading time. I will not give any point for a difference of fraction of a second. Well, I have played Contra when I was a kid and I love to play this Contra Returns. Let's check which one can load this game faster. We have to tap twice to load the game, or it always shows a boring, lengthy intro. Once again, it's Motorola Edge X30. Motorola Edge X30 has already bagged 2 points. The fourth game in line is CSR2. Okay. Vivo X70 Pro Plus has opened its account by loading CSR2 significantly faster than Motorola Edge X30. Now, the fifth game in line is Shadow Fight 3. I'm not surprised to see Motorola Edge X30 has continued to grab points with faster loading time. It has the newest SoC. Let's see whether it can continue to get points or not. It's time for Call of Duty. Wow, Vivo X70 Pro Plus has amazed me. It got another point. Anyway, Motorola Edge X30 is still leading. It's 3-2. I like to read news on Google News, and now it's even 3-3 cause Vivo X70 Pro Plus got this point. It has loaded Google News ahead of Motorola Edge X30. We all love YouTube, right? Let's see which one can load YouTube faster. Motorola Edge X30 it is. 4-3. A tight competition going on. Both of the smartphones have loaded Antutu benchmark almost at the same time. No points. Final application of the test. 3D Mark, the gamer's benchmark, and okay, once again, no points for loading the app at the same time. Now let's see which smartphone has kept the games and apps running at the background. Bang! Vivo X70 Pro Plus with more RAM and better RAM management has left PUBG running at the background. 1 point to Vivo X70 Pro Plus. It's a tie, 4-4. Vivo X70 Pro Plus has also kept Real Racing 3D running at the background. Okay, it's not only about more RAM. This is better RAM management. Vivo X70 Pro Plus has kept almost all the games running at the background. Now Vivo X70 Pro Plus is well ahead. It's 6-4. Another game and another point for Vivo X70 Pro Plus, 7-4. Let's check Shadow Fight 3. Okay, Motorola X30 has kept it running in the background because it requires less RAM. No point for this because both the devices has kept it running in the background. Final game Call of Duty, and now Vivo X70 Pro Plus is ahead by a big margin, 8 to 4. Has Motorola kept the smaller apps running at the background? Nope. It almost kept nothing running at the background, and all the points to Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Now Vivo X70 Pro Plus is leading by 6 points. Both the Motorola Edge X30 and Vivo X70 Pro Plus has kept Antutu and 3D Merc the Gamer's benchmark running at the background. So okay, no additional points are given. Here is confirmation I did not close any application. When I have started this speed test video, both these smartphones had 100% battery. Now Vivo X70 Pro Plus is at 96% and Motorola Edge X30 is at 94%. Vivo X70 Pro Plus has generated more temperature than Motorola Edge X30. Let us close all the applications and run Antutu benchmark. Yesterday I have tried Antutu on both of these two smartphones and Motorola X30 did well once I have placed it in a refrigerator. This one definitely got thermal throttling issue. Let us back to back run Antutu benchmark and check whether the score drops or not. Okay, after the first run Motorola Edge X30 got 941,000 and Vivo X70 Pro Plus got 817,000. You already can see there is a huge difference when it's in ambient temperature and when it's in a refrigerator. Anyway, let's run the benchmark again. Yes, as I have mentioned earlier, Motorola Edge X30 score got a hit. It's now dropped to 882,000. That's a straight nosedive. Even if Vivo X70 Pro Plus generated more heat, it has managed to perform. Antutu score of Vivo X70 Pro Plus is only 2.2% lower than the first time, while Motorola score is 6.5% less than the first time. Well, if you are still watching this video, maybe some of you think like due to extra RAM on Vivo X70 Pro Plus, Vivo X70 Pro Plus got some extra points by keeping those applications or games running at the background. But it's not true. I have done another speed test video between this Oneplus 9 RT and Motorola Edge X30. I have also prepared some other speed test videos with some other unreleased smartphones that I have. This one, I must say, is gonna be one of the worst Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 based smartphone. Yeah, this one is definitely one of the cheapest, so you cannot expect a lot from this. What do you think about this smartphone? Please don't forget to make a comment and let me know. If you have liked this video, then please go ahead, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.